Hello and welcome to our video on the benefits of using goat dung as a manure in farming, kitchen gardening, flower farming, and organic farming. In this video, we'll be discussing the advantages of using goat dung as a fertilizer, its nutritional value, and how it differs from other types of manure. So, whether you are a farmer, a gardener, or simply curious about sustainable farming practices, this video has something for you. Let's get started. Advantages of using goat dung as a fertilizer. Goat dung is an excellent natural fertilizer that is rich in nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. It's high in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential for plant growth. It also contains organic matter that helps to improve soil structure, promoting better water retention and drainage. Nutritional value. Goat dung is rich in essential nutrients that are essential for plant growth. It contains high levels of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential for healthy plant growth. It also contains micronutrients such as zinc, copper, and iron, which are essential for plant health. Differences from other types of manure. Goat dung has a higher nitrogen content than other types of manure, making it an excellent fertilizer for promoting leaf growth. It is also drier and less pungent than cow dung and horse manure, making it easier to handle and apply. Additionally, goat dung is also less likely to attract pests and flies, making it a more hygienic option for use in kitchen gardening and other indoor applications. Application in various types of farming. Goat dung can be used in a variety of farming and gardening applications, such as kitchen gardening, flower farming, organic farming, and traditional farming. It can be mixed with soil to promote healthy plant growth, and it can also be used as a top dressing for established plants. It is also an excellent option for worm composting, and it can be used as a soil conditioner for indoor plants. In conclusion, goat dung is an excellent natural fertilizer that is rich in nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. It's an excellent option for promoting healthy plant growth in a variety of farming and gardening applications. It's also drier, less pungent, and more hygienic than other types of manure, making it a great option for indoor use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like for more sustainable farming and gardening tips.